Okay, a little review on coterminal angles. So basically, coterminal angles are angles that share the same initial and terminal sides. So when we talk about our angles, so 0, 90, 180, 270, and of course this is also 360. Every time around here is 360, right? If I go this far, it's 90, 180, 270, 360. So I can have an infinite number of numbers for the same angle. So if this is my line right here, so I'm here, this is my angle, right? I always start from here. If I go in the positive direction, which is counterclockwise, this is 90 degrees. Well, I could also go in the negative direction. If I go in the negative direction, that's negative 270 degrees. I still am at the same spot. So these are coterminal angles. And there's an infinite number of coterminal angles because all I have to do to find more, if I have the positive, is I keep adding 360, right? Every time I go around. If I add 360 to 90, I get 0, 5, I get 450. That means this angle would go around in the positive direction. It would go all the way to 360, but then it has 90 more to go. It's still going to end up at this same pink highlighted line. So I have 90, negative 270, 450. Those are all coterminal angles. And I can keep adding 360 forever and ever and ever to get more in the positive direction. I could also keep subtracting 360 in the negative direction to get more and more and more. So that's the basis of coterminal angles. It's just the same angle, but we can go around over and over and over again. I could go 100 times around here, and as long as I go 100 times, so 100 times 360, right, 3,600. So as long as I go 3,690, I'm right here, right? Or actually 36,000, sorry, times 100 is 36,000. So if my angle is 36,090, 36,000 means I went 100 times around, 100, 100, 100, and when I get back here, I'm going extra 90, and I'm ending up in the same spot. So that is coterminal angles. So an example, besides that one, is if I have an angle of, let's say I have an angle of 20 degrees. So that angle would be about here. This is 20 degrees. So coterminal, I can go in the negative direction, which would be 20 minus 360, or negative 340. So I can go this way, negative 340, or again, this way was just going that way, positive 20. So this and this are coterminal, or I could have just taken the 20 and said 360 plus 20 is 380. That's coterminal. I went around a whole time and I added an extra 20 and I got to the same place.